As we were there, I made a mistake. I was filming in portrait, and I do apologise for that. But as you can see, the drone footage is in landscape. I hope you all enjoy the video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Hello everybody. Right, today we're in Wetherby, and we're going to see a castle. But on the way down to the castle, I found some information. It's right here. So it's a bit of history on the castle and like the castle grounds and that lot. So I thought it'd be interesting just to do this quick video, and so you lot can see what we're doing today. You'll be seeing the castle very shortly. So that's where we are today. I can't pronounce the name properly, so I do apologise, but we've got some history of it right here. So I do hope you enjoy it. We're going off to the castle very soon, so I'll see you all in a bit. Thank you very much. Right everybody, I've just stumbled across this. More history of the castle. So, yeah. And we've got Doggo with us today. She's kind of like jumping about, because we're going to be out for a bit. But there's some more history on the castle. So I like these with all the bulletins and that. Oh, you can read through. Obviously I'm going to try and put some history in the description, but most of it's here really, to be quite honest. So yeah. Right, I'm going to try and get a little bit closer to the castle and try and get some more decent shots of it. Okay dokie. Right, hello everybody. Now this is a better view of the castle, to be quite honest. It's going to be the best view that I can get. Like I said, it is kind of like walk and stop for me. So, but we have got the drone out, so that's up and about, and there's a nice bridge down there. There's some stairs. There is a plaque down there, but I can't get to it. It's too steep for me to get down. So yeah, unfortunately I can't get to it. I can go and show you, but hang on. Alright everybody, I'm sorry for that little interruption, but I've got as close as I can get. There's some more history down there, but I don't think I'm going to get it. So I'll zoom in as best as I can. But as you can see, there's a plaque down there with more history on it, which I'm not going to get. But well, that's the next section. Like I said, unfortunately I can't get that history, but there's some more of the castle. Hopefully the drones pick that history up. I don't see why it shouldn't have, but there's some more of the castle, as we can see. There's the drone. Right, I'm gonna try and... As you can see everybody, there's an entrance in there. I can't get down there because it's very steep. So, but it's got lovely brickwork though, I do have to admit that. And yeah, but there we go. Oh look, we've got a tower over there, like a watchtower I think. Over there, nice little watchtower. There might be another entrance guard there, but unfortunately I won't be going down there because it's way too steep. But yeah,